4-banger turbo, a lot of power. I'm gonna show you active exhaust.
I think that's what it's called.
You got pretty much bypass on the exhaust.
So it's
down there.
Yeah, it's
You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we got SATURN Sky back on my channel. Of course, SATURN Sky Red Line. 4-banger turbo, a lot of power, like what, 300 horses?
almost.
Today we're gonna show you a pretty cool mod that PONTIAC did. Active exhaust.
Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Basically opens up the valve. Amazon special.
You got pretty much bypass on the exhaust. So when it opens the valve, you got a straight pipe.
Little remote.
Actually, looks kind of
I know,
fancy.
right? Fancy, I know.
Nice. Let me see if I can show you guys.
So it's
down there.
Yeah, it's between the last muffler and the cat, I guess.
Okay. What was the price for it?
They're like 120 bucks plus like 80 to put it in, because you don't want to do it yourself. You have to like weld it and.
Okay, so yeah, it's pretty cheap. So 80 bucks for the labor to get installed, and 140 bucks for the device. And of course, there's gonna be a link under the video if you want to get one.
Yeah, and it's, you know, if you want to have it a little louder, you can. If you want to keep it stuck,
yeah,
no problem.
that's pretty cool, especially it's with the remote. So
yeah.
Okay, so let's see how it sounds. We're gonna start with the closed valve, so let's see how it sounds. Let's see with the open one. Man, that sounds way better.
Also comes with like this little box. You have to connect it to some sort of power.
Oh, and you did that yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why it's sometimes not working.
Sometimes it doesn't work.
So
Oh shit, okay.
So yeah, it's connected to the light wires.
Okay, so you get power from the lights.
Yeah, and it goes here, and then the other cable goes down to the actual.
So it's not actually pretty much plug and play. You have to do some welding.
Well, you could plug it to the to your electric outlet, like the lighter outlet. But
then you have to
I
run
didn't
the
want to
cable
have it
inside.
run it through my cabin. So
Gotcha.
cut it in to the
All right,
lights outlet.
that's an easy way. Oh wait a second.
What's up?
Oh, and since the trunk is open, it's kind of cool. You can see how much room is inside.
There's no room.
You got pretty much just the space around this hump, and I'm assuming this is like a fuel tank or something.
Yeah. And then when you actually close it, there's like no trunk space whatsoever.
Yeah. So if you wanna get a cool car for the road trips, yeah, that's the one that you want to get.
No. It's useful as a bike.
Is it gonna go sideways?
Sliding.
Not this time. Ain't bad for a little pocket rocket. Okay, so first exhaust video. Nice time for some refreshments. Of course, non-alcoholic.
Oh yeah, of course. Never.